When I tell y'all I'm running to find this light because I'm about to miss it. I'm back and I'm better. I'm better. I'm feeling so great today that I think I want to film outside. Look at this setup. People are gonna be walking, driving by like, this girl is nuts. What is wrong with her? Y'all know it's a hot girl summer or whatever. For me though, it's a homebody summer. Ain't no hot nothing over here. It's home, work and home. Oh my gosh, people are honking at me. My camera is probably crooked right now. Y'all just gonna have to deal with this because I don't know what's going on. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I just know it has to be hot because it's a hot girl summer. We're probably gonna use the same old palette I've been using because I mean I have another one. See, I'm upgrading my lifestyle. There's a train. You're gonna start off with a white base and just put that on the lid. We are going to go into this orange shade up here at the top and just put that all over our lids and go from there because I really don't know. I don't know. So the mindset I have going into this look is, of course, hot girl, but then sunsets, okay? Think hot. I'm sweating, sweat is dripping down my neck right now. Why did I? Okay, I think this is cute. So now we're gonna go into the yellow right here, and then we're just gonna put that on our brow bone. You just have to think happy thoughts while doing this so you can do good. Sunset, pretty sunset. I need to work on my blending, but now it's time for the red. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should do a red cut crease, just red like, I'll do a red cut crease. I'm gonna be using this hot girl red right here. And we're gonna put that on, so wish me luck. It's a sunset. Oh my, this is beautiful, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking good. Please work. So when applying very pigmented eyeshadows, I learned that stamping is better. So stamp. Trust me, I'm just as confused as you are right now. I don't know what's going on. Lashes are the only thing that are going to save this, and I'm perfectly fine with that. Now all I'm doing is adding the shade Ring Light to the brow bone just to make it pop. So I got this new foundation, the Becca, it's a Becca foundation. I don't know what it's called, like illuminating something. This is in the shade Warm Honey. I don't like foundations like this because I just like to put it like on my face. There's just a lot going on right now and I just don't know. Hot and irritated are the perfect words to describe me right now. Look at how the lashes saved this though. Ooh. I'm struggling. So the last thing that I'm doing is getting some orange and just putting that in my waterline. I am literally gonna miss the sun. That's why I'm going so fast. So this is the finished look, you guys. I love this. It's a hot girl summer for real. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you, and subscribe because why not? I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh! Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.